Hello gardeners, thank you for stopping by. I enjoy sharing my knowledge and experience with all of you. Enjoy the video. Thank you. What if I told you that the best time to save money, reduce waste, and enjoy better food all year long is happening right now in your garden? Early summer harvests can disappear fast, but with a few simple tricks, you can enjoy today's abundance long after the season ends. Early summer is when many gardens start producing faster than we can eat. Pick berries when they're fully colored and slightly soft. Harvest leafy greens while they're young and tender. Check zucchini and summer squash daily because they seem to grow overnight. Morning is usually the best time to harvest. Plants are cooler, hydrated, and at peak freshness. A simple rule: harvest often, and your plants will usually keep producing. When the harvest starts piling up, don't panic. That's a good problem to have. Extra berries can be frozen for smoothies and desserts. Leafy greens can be dried into homemade seasoning powders or added to soups. Peas and beans can be blanched and frozen for later meals. The goal isn't perfection, it's preventing good food from going to waste. Some of the easiest preservation methods require very little equipment. Ferment extra vegetables into crunchy, flavorful snacks. Dry herbs for year-round seasoning. Turn excess basil, parsley, or leafy greens into pesto and freeze it in small portions. Even vegetable scraps can become compost, feeding next year's harvest. Nothing wasted, everything has a purpose. Let's recap. Harvest early summer crops at peak freshness. Pick regularly to encourage more production. Preserve extra food by freezing, drying, or fermenting. Compost what you can't use. And remember, sustainable gardening isn't about growing more. It's about using more of what you grow. Start with the easiest step. Freeze one extra harvest this week. Bonus tip: keep a harvest basket near your garden entrance. You'll be surprised how much food gets picked before it gets overlooked. Don't let great harvests go to waste. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something useful, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join the family, and watch the next gardening video on your screen right now. It's packed with simple ideas to help your garden produce even more. See you soon.